If you are a licensed administrator and need to administer permissions for a license, you may do it by going to your profile, settings in the top right, come down to view the licenses, and from here you'll see the option to manage users and to reset the access code. So anytime you have removed a user from your account, you'll want to refresh the access code so that they can't use that to rejoin by themselves. And then you can manage the users by clicking the Manage User button, and that will open a window below that frame where you can then add new users, change permissions for those users, or temporarily disable those users. So if you've got a user that you'd like to be able to administer access to the license, you can come down here and click the blue Enable button to make them an administrator for that license. You can also take it away in the same way. And then we've got the Disable option. If somebody's temporarily should not be able to make changes or request or be able to schedule inspections, simply disable their account for the time being, and at a later date you can come back and re-enable their account. If you use the red X, that will remove them from the account, and the only way for them to rejoin will be to have the license number and the new access code, which you can change by refreshing the access code up here. If you need more information on that user, you can see what's in their contact information. You can change that information here to a new user, enter their phone number and their office phone number. This mobile phone number will need to be correct if they are to receive text notifications from the system. If a user is not registered in the system, they'll be marked as unregistered down here, and this is where you can add a user that just needs to be able to receive notifications but should not be able to interact with or request inspections. And simply enter their email, first name, and last name, as well as their mobile number and their cell phone number. Save that to the system. And to remove those would be the same thing with the red X.